Good day, ClickChauffeur drivers. Ever wanted to charge for the distance you travel to reach your clients? Today, I'll show you how to set up approach fees on ClickChauffeur. Doing so will ensure that you're fairly compensated for the distance traveled to pick up your clients. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. In the menu on the left, go on Module, Settings, and then reach for the options on the right. You will see an option labeled Approach Fees. If you want to enable approach fees, then check the box. Next, input your base location, go to Approach Fees and then Home City. For example, we are going to enter New York. This is the starting point for calculating your approach fees. We've just typed our city or base location. Now we want to specify price per kilometer and a minimum billing distance. For example, if you charge $1 per kilometer with a minimum of 5 kilometers, so 1 here and 5 on this label. Pro tip: you can swap kilometer for miles on this exact page, a couple of labels above in the length unit. And finally, we want to save the changes that we made. There you have it. We've set up approach fees, ensuring you're fairly compensated for the distance you travel to reach your clients. This small change can make a big difference in your earnings. Remember, charging for your travel time helps cover your costs and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Meanwhile, keep those wheels turning and your earnings growing.